What's up, gamer? What's up, gamers? It's me, it's here. Today we're gonna be playing Undertale game. Yep, today we're playing Undertale games. And guys, make sure you subscribe and like. And I want the likes like 6,100. So make sure you subscribe and like. And then hit the bell. And then, if you comment on my videos, well, I will do the Roblox games that you said from the comments. Yes. So comment down below. What should I play in the Roblox game? Oh, got him. Cornered. I cornered you too. Wait, what's this? So yeah, you should better comment and then make sure join the Dick Squad. I don't like this game. First, I'm gonna reset. Something. I'm gonna go back to the Even I played this, I got already all these skins when I did those skins. Here's the Let's go. Like this. Sorry. How about disco ball? Party! It's a party. Get disco ball! Go have a party. Disco's party. Disco, 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 disco. I want a disco. Everyone there for the party. But they're fighting. Oh no, cause they want to party now. Boom. One thing catch me. Let's go. Blue ball. Blue ball. Blue ball. Blue ball. Yeah. I like the party. Who likes the party?
Ay mo play sa labas?
Si ate tulog na siya, no?
Ikaw, ayaw mo?
Wait lang. Marang
Nagkakatay mo yung
ako.
laptop mo, oy.
Okay, guys, this is gonna end right over here. So yeah, guys, guys, it's already gonna end over here. So it's gonna end over here, guys. So peace out. Bye. See you in the next video. And even don't forget, comment what do you want from the next video. But I'm gonna play in Roblox. Peace out.